Hi friends, welcome to Koshika. Here I am starting a new series for testing the Django applications. So first in this tutorial you will learn what is a testing. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the new video updates first to you, because your likes and subscribe motivates me to do new videos. So friends, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's start the tutorial. Now first let's see what is meant by a testing. Testing is the process of evaluating the functionality of a software application to find any bugs or checking whether it works as per our expectation. That is, testing means we try to find any bugs in a software application by verifying its functionality, or we check whether the application works as per our requirement or not. Now let's see what is an automated testing. It is a software testing technique in which we write a piece of code to test the functionality of a software application. The piece of code we call it as a test case. This automated testing differs from manual testing because automated testing is done by a test case, that is a program code, whereas in manual testing a human sitting in front of a computer executes the test steps manually. The collection of test cases we call it as a test suite. Now let's see how automated testing helps us in our project development. First one, we can find bugs that are not detected during manual testing because some tests might be missed by a human in manual testing. Second, we can execute the same test suite repeatedly, means whenever we add new code or we make any changes, we can run the same test suite repeatedly to check the new changes have not affected our application's behavior. Third, human efforts are reduced. Because of automated testing, the human efforts required to test a software repeatedly are reduced. Now let's see the main types of testing. First, unit testing. Testing of a single functionality or a module of a software application is the unit testing. That is, we test small parts of our application in unit testing, for example, functions or methods. And it is typically done by a programmer, not by a tester, because it requires detailed knowledge of the internal program code. Now let's see an example for unit testing. Here this is a function called add numbers, which takes two parameters as numbers, and it adds these numbers and returns the addition. Now second is the function for testing the above function called test add numbers, and here we are calling this add numbers function by passing 3 and 2, and we are checking its return value is equals of 5 or not using assert function. See here how the assert function works. First we are checking 1 is equals to 1 or not, so assert will not show any error as 1 is equals to 1. So this test is passed. Second, we are checking 1 is equals to 2 or not. As it is not equals, assert will throw error, that is this error, that assertion error. Now let's see what is an integration testing. It is the testing in which all unit tested modules are combined to verify its combined output. That is, basically we test the unit tested modules to check how they work together. And it is the second level of testing which is performed after unit testing. The unit integration testing is typically done by a programmer, not by a tester. Now let's see next type of testing, that is functional testing. Functional testing, it is the type of testing in which internal parts of code are ignored and only focuses on the output. That means internal parts of code, that means that is the language used for the coding, what is the performance of the code, that those are ignored and we only focuses on the output, that we are getting the desired output or the expected output. Next, it is a type of black box testing, as we only focuses on the output, not on internal program code. Now let's see what we need to test in Django and what does the Django provide for testing. Automated testing is extremely useful to find bugs for the web developer. Testing a web application is a complex task. In Django, web application is made up of different layers of logic like handling HTTP request, form validation and saving data to database, and rendering the templates. In Django, we have to test our application's different parts like views and URLs for handling HTTP request, forms for form validation and processing. We need to test models for saving data to the database, and next we need to test templates for rendering the templates. Django provides a test framework that is built on the Python standard unit test library. So using the Django's test framework, we can simulate request, insert test data, and check whether our code is working as expected. So friends, in the next tutorials of testing, we will learn how to test the Django models, forms, and URLs, etc. So if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the new video updates first to you. And now I will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.